You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to our podcast. In today's episode, we're exploring one of the key decisions retirees face when shipping household goods overseas, whether to use a full container or a shared container. First, let's look at a full container load, known as an FCL. This shipment means your belongings occupy an entire shipping container. This option is ideal for larger households and retirement relocations, where furniture, artwork, and personal items take up significant space. Full container provides several advantages: exclusive use of the container, reduced handling during transit, lower risk of inspection delays, and greater control over shipment scheduling. Shared container shipping, also called groupage, combines multiple smaller shipments into a single container bound for the same destination. This option reduces costs for smaller shipments, but it involves additional handling at consolidation warehouses and may add a small amount of transit time. Because retirees often relocate permanently and ship larger volumes, most prefer the security and efficiency of a full container. Understanding shipment volume early helps determine which option best supports your relocation timeline and budget. If you're unsure whether a full container or shared container shipment is right for your move to Italy, expert guidance can make the decision much easier. Give us a call at 877-339-0267 to speak with an international moving specialist who can help plan your relocation step by step.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.